Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So I've been saying that this could be like a running WXY, meaning that it made a lower high, which normally they don't. Normally they make a higher high in a WXY. But either way, I mean, all week long I've been recommending shorts. We actually went beyond the 78%, and unless this pulls way back today and gives us a break of structure on shorter time frames, more than likely it is going to go down and give us a break of structure to the downside on the daily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I am watching my structure. If it does break to the upside, which right now is right here, if it breaks this high right here, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs. Otherwise, just like I've been recommending all week long, I would look at every single move I see to the upside as nothing more than a pullback within a downtrend and possibly nothing more than another opportunity to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend unless we get that break of structure. We need to look at everything to the upside as possibly just a pullback to the last wave down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.